object, such as Earth, that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the Earth's surface.
Thanks for that research, Lyrica. And also, there is something that people commonly know about volcano. Do you want to know what it is?
Okay, what is it?
It's all about explosion. We all know that volcano erupts massively or sometimes not, and flows a hot moving rock or what we call lava.
Excuse me, someone said volcano is like human emotion.
How?
Sometimes it needs to explode to release its pressure inside.
Really? Yes, so let's talk about the three types of volcano.
The first one is what we call the composite or stratovolcano.
Hey, wait, stop. This is my favorite type. I should report this. We all know the famous and beautiful Mayon volcano, and guess what? It is a best example of a composite volcano or stratovolcano. Its high measurement and beautiful shape. It is a characteristic of composite or stratovolcano.
Such a perfect cone for an ice cream.
Let's move to the next one.
For this time, we have Taal volcano as an example for the second type. The cinder cone volcano. It is not as tall as the composite or stratovolcano and not as pretty as the first type, bad cone for an ice cream, but as a type of a volcano, not good, not bad. Let's see what is the next one.
Mauna Loa in Hawaii, a volcano that is an example of the third type, the shield volcano. Let me say that is the smallest type and the shape of this type is different from the other two types. As the name implies, it looks like a shield. Just imagine Captain America's shield lying on the ground. That's how it looked like.
And that's all the types of a volcano.
Baliw. Garam.
Hello everyone, what is volcano?
Hello everyone! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yung nasa harap ako na camera.
And first today's video.
First to date video.
Welcome to my YouTube
Garo
channel.
kasi. Practice lang siya.
Garam yung mag-aral
Pwede mo
pa.
rin makita ko mukha ko sa salamin.
Ang arte.
So what? Goro naman nila.
Hawaii, a
Mauna
volcano
Loa.
that is an example of the third way.
Mauna Loa in Hawaii, a volcano that is an...
Mag-bopray ka na para tinukan sa kabila. Sali mo na.